Welcome to Talmudic Treasures. Today we're learning Nazir page 20, which opens a new chapter that says, if an individual makes a declaration, I am a Nazir, I wish to be a Nazir, and then someone overhears it and just says one word, Vani, and I, that in itself is an acceptance because you're attaching yourself to the original person. On this, the Talmud wonders, how far away from that original person's declaration can a person say Vani and I, and still it's considered to be an attachment, and therefore that second person will also be a Nazir? On this, the Talmud gives the answer in which we find in so many other places, Toch Kedei Dibor. It has to be within just a matter of a couple of seconds from the time it's said. Now, what does it mean, Toch Kedei Dibor, the amount of time to speak? It's the amount of words that a student says to his teacher. When a student sees his teacher, he's supposed to say three words. Shalom Alecha Rabbi. Greetings unto you, my teacher. And therefore, you have that short window to be able to say Vani and I, and therefore it will be linked to the original person who said, I'm a Nazir. So on this, it's understood, and Tosas brings down, that technically you don't just have, it would work not just one person saying an I, but three people right after each other. One could say an I, and I, and I, which is three words. That would work. Because at that point, they're all still within this short time frame from the original statement. On this, Tosas wonders, and it's brought down in the Talmud, how about the fourth person? A fourth person, maybe not, because that's already four words, assuming that they're all said a little bit away from each Vani, the next person immediately Vani, Vani, Vani. So that fourth word is longer than this time frame, which is only three words. So on this, it's brought down that that wouldn't be fair because we would be eliminating a student to be able to do this. Why? Because it says, what happens if you have a student that hears this declaration, this person who's a Nazir, and he wants to do it too, but at the same moment his teacher walks in the room, he has an obligation, even before making himself into a Nazir, to show respect to his teacher. And he has to say the words, Shalom Alecha Rabbi. And if that happens after saying those three words, and he immediately says, Shalom Alecha Rabbi Vani, that would be too late. But it doesn't seem to be fair to this student. And therefore, according to this opinion, we would even allow a fourth person. But we clearly see beyond that, not. And this is an important idea, that when you see something and you are inspired by it, you could say to yourself, you know what, I was really impressed by that, and I'm really going to now change. I saw that guy, he was running, this person was doing exercise, maybe I'm also going to do some exercise. I'll start in a month. That's not going to work. You need to be able to connect yourself immediately to the thing that inspires you. So just like this person who hears this guy saying he's a Nazir, you have to immediately say, and I'll do it right away. We don't delay. We have to go right away, because if you don't do it right away, you have now lost that opportunity. And there's a very good chance when it comes to in life that if you don't act when you are at the moment of the highest level of inspiration, you may end up never doing it. And therefore, this is an important lesson. When we look at role models, when we look at people that are doing things that are truly amazing, and we say, I wish I could be more like that. So instead of just thinking, maybe I could be like that, do something about it. But the best time to do something about it is the immediate time right when you became inspired.